Whoa! It's really dark in here.
Dad? Did you turn off the lights?
My phone's dying. No signal. No light, nothing.
Okay, everyone stay calm. Let's find the flashlight. We're here. Alex brought his phone.
I know exactly where the flashlight is. Follow me. Huh. Not here either.
The battery's completely dead. Great.
Great. Let's check the emergency drawer in the kitchen. Come on, where is it? Nothing! Just old batteries with no flashlight to put them in.
Looking for this? There are candles in the dining room drawer, too. Just like this one.
Found the candles. And a lighter.
There, cozy, right? It's actually kind of nice. Be careful on those garage stairs. They're steep in the dark.
Okay, which one are you? Which one are you? Nope, not that one either. Ow! Ugh, it's too dark in here.
Has anyone else noticed Dad's been gone a while? I'll go check on him.
Just give me a minute.
This reminds me of the big storm back in '98. Storm back in '98.
Watch this. A wolf. A wolf.
Wait, that's not... Whoa! That was close.
Was that Dad? Jack, are you okay?
Yeah, I am fine.
It's okay. Let's be careful and figure this out together.
Ooh, is this the fuse box?
Cool!
Wait! This one's labeled. It's just covered in cobwebs.
Huh. I completely missed that.
It was just labeled on the side here.
Here, I've got the flashlight. You focus on the switches. This one says kitchen. That one says garage lights.
Okay, let's do this together. Here goes.
Now this one, flip it too. Flip it too.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
It's working!
We finally did it!
Sansi!
See? Together works better.
Yeah, I probably should have asked for help sooner.
You did great.
Told you he'd figure it out.
Race you back to the kitchen.
Good thing I kept it warm on the stove. Dinner's ready. A little late, but ready.
Tonight was honestly better than any movie.
Yeah. Kinda magical, actually.
To teamwork.
Hey everyone, before we go, let's remember a few words from tonight. Dark means there's no light, like our kitchen tonight, so dark. A flashlight is a small light you carry with you. Like this one. It saved our night. A candle is a stick that burns to give us light. We used a lot of them tonight. Careful means paying close attention so you don't get hurt. Like on those garage stairs.
And together means doing something as a group. It's okay to ask for help. Things are always easier together.